Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. In this video, we are going to see how we can convert strings into the characters first in a C program and then in a C++ program. So right now, this is a C program first, and here in this main program, on this line, we are giving the name of our input file, which we are going to open and read its contents. And on this line, we are going to give the name of our output file, which we are going to open and store the output into our output file with this name. Then we have given this string line variable we have defined here, and this string line variable we are going to use inside this fgets function, which we are going to use and read the contents of our input file and store those lines of our input file one by one into this line variable. Then using this for loop, we are going to display the contents of our input file first onto the console window using this printf statement, and these lines it is going to display of the file one by one, and then we are going to store those lines into our output file as well using this fprintf function. Finally, we are going to close both input and output files, and this is our complete program. So this is the input file. It just contains two lines, and now I am going to run this program. So this is our output onto the console window, and this is right now in the form of strings. And now I can show you the contents of our input file as well, the output file as well. So this is our output file, and we can see right now it is showing the strings, which are those lines. And now we are going to convert this program, C program, to get the characters from these strings. And in order to do that, we are going to comment out these lines, which are giving up us strings. Actually, we can comment out these from here. And we are going to include these code lines into our file, which is another for loop. And using this for loop, which is going to use this string length function, and for that line we are going to separate those characters one by one for each line. Inside this for loop, we are going to run another for loop, and this is going to give us our characters. So here we were printing out the strings using the %s. Here we would use then %c to print out our these characters. And then on this line we are going to store the contents into our output file as well, those characters. So let's build and run this program. So now we can see these are our characters. We got the characters from our strings out of those two lines onto the console window. And now we are going to see finally that how we can convert these characters back to our strings in a C program. So if we no longer need these letters as characters and we want our output to be converted into strings, so we can include these two lines. And now we are going to, we can see here we are using here %s and %s for strings, and this is the way we actually change our characters into strings in C++. in C language. Now let's build and run this program. So now we have got our strings. And now let's move over to our C++ program and see how we can convert our strings into characters. And this is our main program. This is our main program, and in this main program we have given the name of our input file, and we are going to open it using ifstream. And here on this line we have given the name of our output file, and we are going to open this output file using the ofstream. And on this line we have defined our line variable, which is of type string, and this we are going to use inside this function getLine. And we are going to read the lines of our input file one by one using this for loop. And after reading those, we are going to display those onto the console window using stdcout, and we are going to store those into an output file as well using the output file name. And finally we are going to close these two input and output files. So this is our complete program. Again, this is our input file, and now let's build and run this program. So this is, now we are getting strings as output, and now we are going to convert these strings into characters. And in order to do that, we are going to comment out these lines, because now we want a different output, and we are going to include these lines into our program. So using these code lines, we are going to run this for loop inside this for loop, and then we are going to convert our strings into characters and display those onto the console window using this line, and store those into an output file using this line, second line. So this line I would be our characters. So let's build and run this program. So now we have converted our strings into characters. And now if we want to convert our characters type back to our string type, we can include actually these two lines, and we can comment out these two lines. And now once we have commented out, so this is the string function which we are going to use into our this line character, and then we are going to convert it into strings like this. And using this line we are going to store our strings into an output file as well. So let's build and run this program. So now we can see our output on the console window as well. This is now of type string. So this is the way we actually convert our strings into characters, and then we can convert back those characters into strings like this in C++. So thank you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Have fun.